Hi, my name's Will White. I'm the Senior Application Specialist for Distributed Energy Resources here at Fluke. And in this video series, we're going to be discussing the GFL-1500 ground fault location tool. Ground faults are a pervasive problem in solar installations, especially in the DC array, and this is a new technology to the industry that will allow technicians to identify and locate ground faults much more quickly than previous technologies that they've had access to. In this series, we're going to be demonstrating the application of the tool in the field using our solar lab facility here at Fluke Park headquarters in Everett, Washington. This system is a little more different than what you would find typically in the field. It's designed to represent several different types of systems. We have a residential system with microinverters and DC optimizers. We have a 1,000-volt system with rapid shutdown devices that is designed like a commercial rooftop or industrial system. And then we also have a 1,500-volt system representative of a utility scale system. Now, we don't have a full utility scale system here, so you'll see that the combiner box we're working in, although it is a full-size combiner box, only has 3 strings in it. We do that just because that's the size of system we were able to install here at Fluke Park. And it allows us to take our tools out into the field in a controlled environment that we own so we can do testing and demonstration with our solar tools. In this video, I'm going to be using the terms grounding, grounded, and ground, which are the terms that we use here in the United States. They're code-defined terms in the National Electrical Code. And many countries outside of the US use the terms earth or earthing. These terms will be used interchangeably in this video series. So if you hear me talk about the ground or grounding, they're the same technical meaning as earth or earthing if you're in a country that uses those terms. So please watch this video series on how to use the GFL-1500 in the field to work it into your processes for finding and locating ground faults quickly.